4.1. Summarise the types of feedback, support and advice that assessors may need to maintain and improve the quality of assessment. We will begin by looking at feedback. When an IQA has undertaken quality assurance activities, they may give verbal feedback to assessors. They will also complete written feedback using an IQA report. An assessor may also ask an IQA for support and advice during the assessment process. Feedback can be given in a number of ways, and these include formal, in a formal IQA report, informal, verbally to assessors or via email, group, this can be given to a range of assessors at the same time so they are all receiving the information together, as in team or standardisation meetings, and one-to-one. This can be delivered to individual staff members if there are issues with particular assessors. When giving feedback, an IQA should avoid any conflict and try to offer positive points, identifying and sharing areas of good practice. Ensure that feedback is constructive. Identify what has been done well and if there are any actions or improvements required. Choose a correct location and environment to deliver the feedback. Consider the timing of the feedback. Ensure there is enough time to give constructive feedback. And keep records of all contact and feedback given to assessors. The type of feedback, support or advice that assessors may need will depend on what the IQA finds during their sampling activities. Feedback given verbally must be consistent with the feedback in a formal IQA report. Examples of feedback, support and advice assessors may require from their IQA may include the following. Delivery methods to use when delivering on a qualification. The correct or appropriate assessment methods to use for a qualification. Administration procedures to follow within a provider. The correct evidence to obtain for learner portfolios and records. Updates from an awarding organisation. IQA strategies including sampling and standardisation meetings. Quality procedures and policies including the implementation and maintenance of quality systems.